people. Huge shout out to First Team Toyota for allowing me to review the 2021 Toyota Supra. Today we're reviewing the 2021 Toyota Supra. This particular model wrapped in a nitro yellow. For the length, 172 inches, height 50 inches. You have a wheelbase of 97 inches with a ground clearance of 4.1 inches. Right here we're looking at a 2.0 liter twin scroll single turbo inline-4 pushing out 255 for the torque, 295 at 1500 RPM for the 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. For the MPG highway, 32, city, 25. Here's the sound of it. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats. Right here we're looking at a digital analog gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPM with your engine temp. In the footwell you have your hood release. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your cruise control setting with your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your plus and minus paddle shifters. Looking on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your engine start button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. Right here we're looking at an 8.8 touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Supra Connect. You have your backup camera. Let's not forget your traditional radio shortcuts. Beneath the radio control, you have your dual climate control. You have your USB with your 12-volt outlet. You have your shift knob. This particular model is the 8-speed automatic transmission. Behind the shift knob, you have your electronic parking brake with your auto start button. You have sport mode. The buttons right here are your parking assist with your traction control alongside your safety system. You have more radio controls. You have your cup holder area. We done made our way up to your interior lighting. You have your SOS safety connect. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 10.2 cubic feet. You can put some golf clubs in here. Once again, huge shout out to First Team Toyota for allowing me to review the 2021 Toyota Supra. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.